What is it that I love about landscape photography? Well, obviously there's the beautiful scenery, but it's more than just that. I feel a real connection with the wilderness when I'm out exploring natural places. It's almost indescribable, the feeling I get when I'm standing beneath a towering mountain, or near a thundering waterfall, or just experiencing the tranquility of a serene forest grove. And to be able to capture that moment, to preserve it forever, and to share that with others is a real honor and a privilege. I'm Ian Plant, and I've been a professional landscape and nature photographer for almost 15 years now. And I travel the world looking for amazing places and moments to capture with my camera. But I'm not just content with capturing a mere documentary record of what I see with my own eyes. Instead, I spend countless hours, days, even weeks roaming the landscape, looking for stunning convergences of light, weather, composition, and the magic of the moment. And the question that I constantly ask myself, the question that I have been trying to answer for my entire career now is this: what makes a great landscape photo? I've learned throughout the years that, unfortunately, there's no silver bullet. There's no magic formula. There's no paint-by-numbers approach that will allow you to make landscape images that rise above the rest. There are, however, 5 critical elements of most successful landscape photos that I think are very important for you to learn and that will allow you to make compelling shots that get noticed. I'm going to teach you how to research, find, and scout dramatic landscape locations, but finding that beautiful scenery is just the beginning. I'm going to teach you to master the near-far style of landscape composition. This is a classic compositional style, and every landscape photographer needs to learn how to do it right. From the days of Ansel Adams, landscape photography has been characterized by sharp focus through the entire image frame. I call this deep focus, and I'm going to show you a foolproof method for getting deep focus each and every time, ensuring that your landscape photos are always tack sharp. I'm going to teach you how to use weather and light creatively to make amazing landscape photos. Believe it or not, the best landscape photography doesn't happen on the sunny days, the good weather days that the tourists love. Instead, you want to wait for dramatic weather events to really bring your landscape scenes to life. Sometimes the worst weather makes for the best landscape photo opportunities. I'm going to teach you how to balance your exposures, which is critical when working with dramatic sunrise and sunset lighting. We're going to do this through a combination of using filters and exposure blending techniques on the computer. These techniques will help reveal the true beauty of the landscape as seen by your eyes. Now, not all landscape photos need all 5 of these ingredients to succeed, but if you can master these important techniques, you'll find that it opens your eyes to whole new worlds of creative possibilities. This course will allow you to better understand how gear, light, composition, and your own artistic creativity can all work together to elevate your photos above the rest and allow you to stand out from the crowd. By the time you're done with this course, you'll be ready to go out there and take the amazing, grand, sweeping landscape photos you've always dreamed of making. I'm Ian Plant, and this is the ultimate landscape photography course.